Hey everybody, it's Mike again. Nothing to it but to do it, and I'm rebuilding this Sloan valve today. As you can see, it's full of calcium and a real big problem. Now, this is a type of Sloan valve that's a 6.5. The reason why is it's a bedpan washer. Lots of calcium on this one. Now, bedpan washers 6.5 are just a little bit different. You can see the handle comes out the front there. But they don't make a 6.5 anymore, and I made a little vacuum deal there with a straw to kind of suck out the calcium around the side. But I use an A36A is what Sloan tells you to do, because they don't make that no more. And you pop off this little ring right here, and whenever you pop off that little ring, it's a restrictor ring. And that makes it a 4.5 to a 6.5. And there you go. Now you have a 6.5 diaphragm. And that's an A36A. Remember that. Hope that helps you guys. Take it easy.